Hi, Tiago Tiskoski here at the Selene Condominiums to provide you with the 5th construction update on the Selene Condominiums in Fort Lauderdale Beach. You will be able to see with this update is all the finishes and the difference from the last update on the outside, pool deck, interior finishes, and all around the project on the ground floor. The building itself right now is up to 80% complete with all the finishes, systems, and common areas. All the interior on the units are already being done up to level 26, working now on level 27 with all the units. Most of the fire protection, all the life safety systems are already inspected and ready to go, which helps us get ahead of the project and the time frame that we have, and the people that are obviously coming in and use their units on this beautiful place. We're still on track for our first TCO this summer with all the areas that are already projected and more for our first completion phase. Thank you for joining us on this update, and hope to have you guys here on the next few.